I'm gonna show you how to create a seller account on eldorado.gg. So to get started, you have to create or open eldorado.gg and then create an account. Or if you have already an account, just sign in into your account. And then from here, just click on the profile right here on the upper right corner and then click on sell button. So from here, you need to register by clicking on this button right here, and then it will redirect you to a start selling. So from there, you have to choose a category. What would you like to sell? So from here, I'm just gonna select on currency, and then after that, you just need to set up by doing some verifications. So once you click on that one, you need a document also to process your settings. So from here, just answer the verifications, and from 1 to 6, and then from there, you just have to click on next. And then once you're done with all of these verifications, you are now done. You can now sell items on eldorado.gg. So that's how to create a seller account in eldorado.gg.